How about I poke this right now? Not funny. Oh, I can't even shove them up my nose. How did you do that? No. No. No, I can't do it. Bam! Shit. Ow!
It's such a delay. It's so funny. It's like I see Mike throw it, but then it's like the delay on it is so bad.
No.
Get to work.